Hiya, I'm Emma from HTS, and today I'm going to show you a quick inspection of how to check your forks are safe for use. This should be carried out by both the hirer and the operator daily on any piece of site equipment that has any type of lifting load. We're going to be using our fork safety guide and the caliper, which are available on our website now. So step one, we've got to measure the wear of the fork. So first of all, using the caliper, open it and measure the shank. Removing this, we'll take it, keep it in the same position, then near the heel of the fork, we'll measure it again. If the bottom teeth of the fork come into contact with the caliper, then the fork has less than 10% wear. But if the caliper was to move freely underneath, then the fork has more than 10% wear and has lost its strength by 20%, so therefore it can't be used. The next step would be to assess whether there's any visual surface cracks on the fork, particularly at any welds or at the heel of the fork. If there are any cracks, then again the fork will need to be repaired before it's returned to service. Step 3 would be to measure the angle and the straightness of your fork and shank. Therefore, by using the caliper within the fork safety guide, you can open it out, it's got a dial on it, to 90 degrees at a right angle. Then position this between the fork and the shank. If there is more than 3% of a change in angle, either inwards or outwards, then the fork is too angled for use. If it's between 87 and 93, then it's fine for use. You can use the same part of the caliper to measure the straightness, and if the fork is outside of 0.05 times its length, then the fork will need to be repaired before it's returned to service. For a full inspection, you would need to take the forks off of the machine, and all these pointers are written in our blog, which is on our website. Along our website is the fork safety guide in stock today.